you're back with us at Entrepreneur Startup. The Cater Club, designed for people who want to give stylish but affordable parties, has made a point of searching the best people to man its service line. Sister proprietors Erlinda de Mesa Yap, Diana de Mesa Santa Maria, and Ruby de Mesa Borja know that apart from the quality and the taste of the food, it's the look and the manner of their people that make their clients very happy.
Uy, Takayama! Naku, eto pa! Bangus Green Hills. Nakakain na ba kayo dito? Ang sarap, no? Alam niyo bang magkakapatid ang may-ari nito? And good news for you, food lovers, nagkikater na sila ngayon under the name of Cater Club. Hi, Cecil! O, nakikita niyo ba yung background ko? It's so nice! Nandito kasi kami ngayon sa Cater Club. These are the people who cater with a difference. Alika, tanungin natin at interview natin kung paano nila binuo ang Cater Club. Inimpisahan ng De Mesa Sisters ang Cater Club noong year 2000.
We own Bangus, and then we have the Takayama restaurant. This is Japanese, Ima, and we used to also have Capers, that's a bar restaurant, specializing in continental food, and then we had the crabs and ribs, no? But because of the spiraling rental of spaces now, we just decided to concentrate on our catering. The only reason why we put up our first restaurant was because we love to eat. Kasi we kapampangan, no? We go to different restaurants, and then the moment that we taste one variant, then when we get home, we try it in our own kitchen.
Bago man ang Cater Club, advantage na sa kanila ang human resources sa kanilang mga restaurant.
Our original chefs for all our restaurants are still with us up to now. That's why the quality is there, no? And then the waiters, they're still with us, although medyo matatanda na. But they're experienced, and we give them training, service training, periodically, to keep up with the job, no?
At hindi lang good food ang panlaban nila. Dahil interior designer si Diana, they also assure a lovely ambience for the occasions they cater for.
Cater Club is catering with a difference, no? Because we are different from other caterers in the sense that we do not only take care of the food and the service, but also of the table setups.
Bukod dyan, kompleto ang packages ng Cater Club. Halimbawa, pagdating sa kanilang wedding packages,
we give you a free bridal car, we have a free wedding cakes, and then satellite cakes which you can give to the ninangs, to the sponsors, no? And then we can also, we have our luminaries and the usual buffet setups, that what we have now at the background. I am proud to say that we're the only caterer that has this kind of setup. Meron kami wedding coordinators, and then we can refer you to photographers.
Pero gaya ng any successful business, there were problems that needed to be hurdled.
We were so in a hurry, bringing the whole tray of sushi, and biglang natapilok yung nagdadala. Talagang tapon lahat yung mga sushi, sashimis. We had to rush again, and then gawin lahat yun, you know. Yung mga nakakatense eh. If you're in catering, talagang until the affair is over, hindi ka pwedeng mag-relax. Hindi ka pwedeng mag-relax. And then, of course, you meet clients who are difficult, no? Very difficult to talk to, but still you have to have patience, and you always have to think that the customer is always right.
Despite the birth pains, Cater Club strives to provide the best catering in the country. Sige nga, kilatisin natin ang good food ng Cater Club.
Ito ay lapu-lapu filet pizzaioli. Meron siyang tomato filet pizzaioli. Parang pizza. Ito ay stuffed chicken with lemon and honey sauce. And this is new. This is new. Bago naming recipe to. This is chicken mango pasta.
May mango siya.
Yes. Ito. It's grilled tenderloin tornadoes. Wow. It has a cream basil sauce.
Oh, nagutom kayo, no? Well, watch this. Sarap ng food dito. Delicious. Now, why don't you invite them?
Visit us at Cater Club to experience catering with a difference.
Yan. So, if you're getting married, kung magsa-celebrate kayo ng debut, anniversary, silver, golden,
Corporate
functions, luncheon, whatever,
Bienvenidas.
yan, mga, kahit ano, na gusto nyo magkaroon ng gathering, tapos, you want to have good food, delicious food, perfect ambience with the flowers and candles, and good service. So, magtabok na kayo sa Cater Club. Okay!
Bye. Hi, I'm Diana de Mesa Santa Maria. I'm one of the owners of Cater Club. I'm proud to be an entrepreneur.
Para sa Gen E, ako si Val Sales.
Efficiency, willingness, ability to learn, and a good disposition are the marks of a good worker. And these are the qualities that Cater Club looks for in its hiring process. Entrepreneur Startup will be back after the break.
Naobserbahan ko at that time, ang pinakamaganda, yun ng transport. Kasi nga, may kakulangan noon sa sasakyan, so yun ang ginamit namin, yun ang ginawa kong negosyo.